Welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give you guys an update on Polkadot and to show my long-term view count and also the micro setting up. So currently finishing up what appears to be a WXY correction off the high in November of 2021. We had a 3-wave move for our W wave. We had an X wave up, and we're working on an ABC for our Y wave to complete. If you look at our targets, our W wave projected off our X wave, we're getting close to the 1.382 target at $3.60.9, as you can see, coming close to that one. Another area of interest where our target lines up is the 1-to-1 of our first wave off our second wave. And common targets in ending diagonal is we take our first wave, pivot off the second. We look between the 618 and the 786 extension for our third, then get our fourth wave up, and we look between the 786 and the 1-to-1 as our extension for our fifth. So as you can see, it's lining up pretty nicely. The only thing I don't like about this, but it doesn't matter too much, is our fifth wave is coming out of the trend line, so we'll probably overshoot a little bit for the fifth. So keep that in mind. I'll zoom in and show you these targets, but it's looking really good here. Now on log scale, our invalidation of the ending diagonal is if our third wave is the shortest, and on log scale, it can't pass $3.06.2. As you can see, that would pass the 1-to-1 of wave 3, and that would make wave 3 the shortest. So that's our invalidation point. Now on linear scale, it's much lower, so we can go lower than that, but all our targets are lining up on log scale, so I'm sticking with that for now. Now going down to the 4-hour chart, get rid of this. Off our potential 4-wave, we have a double zigzag panning out to complete. We had an ABC down, leading diagonal, 5 waves down for our first ABC. As you can see, we hit pretty much exactly on the 1-to-1, so that's perfect. Our second extension, our 1-to-1 as our AB, still working on our C wave, is at $3.72.8. Could get extended out a little bit because our first W wave, because we have a double zigzag, WXY, like so. The target of the 1-to-1 for that is at $3.54.6, as you can see. And all that is the extension of our W wave off our X, coming down for our Y. So everything lining up in that area. And that's also, let me put that on the right. That's also between that 786 and the 1-to-1 I mentioned earlier. That's that 1-to-1 target of our, where we'd expect our fifth wave to come, between the 786 and the 1-to-1, and it can't come past this 1-to-1 in yellow. So our box is basically where we would expect a pivot to come in to the upside. Is at this 1-to-1. That's the 1.382 extension. Put that on the right so you can see it. So that's our second target there, the 382, and then our 1-to-1 as our WXY. So a little bit of a box there. Looks like between $3.73 and $3.45. That's our area of interest for a pivot to complete our ending diagonal and look for a rejection to the upside. Currently, this isn't tradable. In my point of view, we're coming to the end of a correction, but this is one I am quite excited for. It could be leading other cryptos because it's so close to the end of its potential correction. But as of right now, just waiting for this to fill out. I will leave some alerts here. If we cross over this B wave in our ABC, potentially the correction is done, and I'll put a alert down here at the 1-to-1 to make sure I update these as soon as we hit targets. So that's it for Polkadot, guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out my other videos. I track most of the top 10 cryptos and give you all the potential setups coming up. All right, thanks for watching, guys.